Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to see followers on X. Okay, so let's open X application on our device, and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen and access your profile. On your profile you want to find your followers count, and at the top select followers section. So this is the section where you will see every single follower that you have, and you can go to their profiles and see what are those people. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.